Hi there, if you want to learn this tutorial, watch this tutorial till the end and you will learn it. First, take a video that you are running in a crossover and you are walking away from the camera, and then you are back in the same way. Split the first and last 2 seconds of the clip because we don't want their speed to change. Now select the middle video and go to the speed section and speed up to 8.6x. Then go to the motion blur section and set the blur to 100 and blend to 43 and the direction to both and the times to twice. After that, go to the effects and go to the video effect and set it to Unreal 2 and set its speed to 100. The next video effect you should choose is Chrome Blur and set its blur to 19 and lateral chromatic aberration to 50. Go to the curves and set it like I show in the video. So today's tutorial has finished. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and share it with your friends.